Welcome to Wobok Galleria. I'm Vipin Kanjaratingal and you are watching my channel Wobok Galleria. Today with me a rock pigeon chick. The bird is severely affected with the avian pox.
And the disease caused by pox virus. It can be fatal and some outbreaks cause high mortality rates. The virus can also spread between wild and captive birds, but are not known to infect humans. The avian pox is distributed worldwide except Antarctica, the Arctic, and some other remote regions. Infection rate appears to increase at hot climates with moisture content. So this coming climate will be more dangerous for the birds because now coming hotter. The clinical signs starts as a red swelling that eventually cracks to become raised lesions. These lesions, as usually self-limiting and may persist from 1 week up to 4. In severe cases, both skin and mucous membrane can be affected. Regression of the lesion generally occurs between 4 or 6 weeks after the first clinical signs appear, and which in turn depend upon the capacity of the immune system. Once lesion begin to heal, the abnormal epithelium will slump. Many birds recover with few or no permanent defects. However, young birds are always affected more severely, same as in this case. In some instances, the lesion can cause permanent damage to the affected areas, including blindness, beak malformation, loss of toes and feet, blindness, etc. Once the bird overcomes the disease, lifelong immunity is thought to occur to that particular strain of virus. There is no cure for this disease, provided support care until the patient immune system can respond to the infection. Supportive care consists of fluid therapy, balanced nutrition, decreasing stress levels, and pharmaceutical treatments of secondary bacterial or fungal infections. Lesions must be kept clean and disinfected, usually with an iodine-based solution. Here I clean the bird's lesions with the spirit thoroughly, and after I applied iodine solution. Other supportive treatment includes vitamin A and C, which will assist in repair of immune system. Once the disease is confirmed, we need to isolate the bird. Cleaning is must to avoid the secondary infections caused by bacteria, fungals, etc. We disinfected daily and provided food and water. Slowly the bird gets health and try to fight against the virus. And now her health is bit better than previous and it is progressing continuously. After 2 weeks support and care, the bird becomes healthier and starts flying. If anybody watching my channel first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.